Morning.
Morning.
What do you think about a landing zone 102 workshop for our customers?
Actually, my team prepares some new webinars before the end of the year, but what exactly would such a landing zone 102 workshop cover?
While the LZ 101 was more about the theoretical part and answered what landing zones are and how to implement them in your organization, the landing zone 102 workshop is more about the implementation.
So, in other words, we will demonstrate how to build a cloud environment for new applications?
Yeah, that and much more.
That sounds exciting.
Indeed, we will show how to implement a basic structure using ERC and automation like Terraform, and we will show how to implement a GitOps workflow and even a self-service.
That's quite a lot, but what would you say is the biggest challenge in transitioning from an initial landing zone to a fully automated GitOps process?
Finding an effective structure and workflow from there on is rarely possible. Based on experience with enterprise scale, CIF and Google Fabric, we have developed a modular approach. More important than a fully automated process is from the start, bring the team together and grow. Building something that ultimately goes unused is counterproductive.
Makes sense. And who would be the target audience for a campaign like this?
Platform engineers, solution architects, and even application teams.
I could imagine our customers would be eager for such a landing zone 102 workshop, especially since they know how passionate you are about it.
Yeah, that would be amazing. So, could you help us encourage people to sign up for it?
Sure, that's what we are trying here. They can simply click here.